Read me.
Motherhood is a career. Motherhood is not typically considered a career in the traditional sense, as it is not usually a paid job. However, being a mother can be an incredibly rewarding and fulfilling experience for those who choose to have children. Many mothers also take on additional paid work, either as part-time or full-time employees or by starting their own businesses, which can be considered a career. It is important to recognize and value the many different roles that women can take on, including both motherhood and paid employment.
Now it's your turn. 3, 2, 1, go.